Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Crypto Spaces. If you were paying attention to the channel, you got close to a 5x call on my previous project that I covered on the channel. A lot of people tuned in and was like, yo, I was late. So make sure you pay attention to the channel, guys. I'm sharing nothing but gems on this channel. And, you know, we're going to take this space to the top. Make sure you take some profits on the previous project that I mentioned, which is Edo. Make sure you take some profits because the market is very rough this year. And a lot of people think we're entering in a bear market. But I have another gem that I think will be massive. Another potential billion-dollar project, in my opinion. I don't know how much of you guys know about Zora. But if you're paying attention to Base and Coinbase, they are really heavily pushing Zora. The platform is absolutely great. It's pretty much IG for crypto. You could launch your Zora. You could launch your coin, activate your coin, and then you have a main coin that you have with other coins. Every time you make a post, a picture, post a picture, just like posting on Instagram, post a video, a picture, sharing your life memories. You can make some money just posting about your life or creating content. The project we're going to be diving into in this one, which I think has 100x potential to a billion market cap, even multi-billion market cap, is Jesse Pollock. He is the founder of Base. He's the one that created Base Chain, and he activated his Zora recently, right? So right now the project launched. It's on a dip. The hype is kind of like fading away. Now is the best time to enter. So right now we're sitting at around 15.9 million market cap for Jesse. This is the Zora page. Now the Jesse token, JESSE, is the main activated token right here. And then every time he makes a post, every time he builds, it benefits the main Jesse token, right? As Base grows and Base becomes a multi-billion-dollar chain, right? Because I think Base will be the place where you have 100x to 1000x projects. You see how this is a terrible market, and we just called Edel on the channel. And where was Edel located? On Base, right? I think the same thing, that this is going to keep happening. People are going to move away from Solana. They're tired of Solana, and they're going to move to Base, in my opinion, right? So betting on the founder of Base's token is just a no-brainer. The more successful Base becomes, the more successful the Zora launched Jesse token becomes. Also, if you have Zora, if you have a big bag of Zora, you don't have any exposure to Zora. I have a bag of Zora. I think Zora is going to be massive, right? This is also a good exposure to the Zora ecosystem, because right now we're on the Zora website. As you can see, let's go to the top creators. These are the trending creators. And right now, Jesse, Jesse, is the top trending coin. It is also the top Zora right now, as you could see, right? I think this has billion-dollar potential because, like I said, as Zora keeps growing, as Jesse and Base, he keeps working, keeps pushing Base to the masses, people gonna speculate on buying his token and be like, dang, his token is only at 60 million market cap? What if Base onboards TradFi and, institutions and everyone, all of these super wealthy people are using Base Chain all of a sudden, especially going into the next bull run? What happens to his token? Well, I think it gets to a multi-billion-dollar token. It's that simple, right? Simple thesis. I don't think that's crazy to understand, right? And you guys could do your research, check his Twitter. He's the person that created Base. He is the founder of Base, right? You guys like Toshi. Everybody loves Toshi, right? Everybody loves Dogging Me, Miggles, all of these different projects on Base. You guys like Virtuals. You guys like Clanker. Well, the founder of this network that all these projects are on has launched his token, right? Doesn't it just make sense to even toss in $100 into the project? Even 100, right? It ain't got to be nothing crazy. You make 10K from $160, because right now you're tossing $160 into Jesse at 0.016 cent. It goes to a billion market cap. You got 10K, $160 to 10K. It's only possible in crypto, guys, right? And I'm giving you guys this on a dip, just like I gave you on Edel, right? And Edel, I think, still has a lot of potential, right? But make sure to take profits, okay? but it's on a dip, and you can see it's starting to climb back up here. So if you missed Edel, you think you want to catch up trade, I think Jesse's great. It's a great. Now a lot of people are gonna be sidelined. A lot of people are gonna say it's gonna go to zero. I personally think that's a mid-curve take, because I think as base continues to grow, as the projects on base continue to grow, people are gonna speculate on the Jesse token, the founder of base. It's just that simple, right? Here's the Twitter. Jesse's live, the official contract, 930,000 engagements, views on this tweet, right? He also, you see people from Seoul talking about the token, right? Creator tokens. A lot of people don't like creator tokens. I think creator tokens will be massive personally, and I think Jesse's going to be one of the biggest ones, because again, created base, always going to be bold posting base. He's going to push base to the masses. He's going to make base one of the biggest chains to use for retail. And retail are going to come to Zora, or they're going to come to base and be like, whoa, he has a token. The founder of base has a token. I got to buy some of that. It's just that simple, right? See, he posted some food. I don't know if he cooked it himself, but you see that post on Twitter right here. It's on Zora. It's on Zora. It's Chipotle. My apologies. So he bought some Chipotle. It's at 3K market cap. He just made $7 posting his Chipotle, right? But again, these are all coins under his Zora account, right? So all of these that are coined will be under the Jesse token. So as his Zora account, and as base, and him as a creator, and also him as a builder and someone that's gonna mass push base to the masses, the main token of his whole creator ecosystem economy will continue to grow. And that's why I think this has billion-dollar potential. I think Zora could potentially go to like 100 billion market cap, because it's like Instagram and Meta, right? And those stocks are valued at hundreds of billions of market cap. Meta is valued at hundreds of billions, Netflix, etc. Zora, to me personally, you see the market cap is going up as I make this video. I apologize. I should have made it a lot earlier. The market cap is going up as I'm speaking, right? And I didn't even post the video yet. Continues to post on Zora with all his posts, all his different tweets. All of those are mini tokens in his main tokens ecosystem. I hope I'm making sense for y'all, guys. Right? He posted his Chipotle bowl. Boom, that's a token. 3K market cap. $7 creator fees, right? He posted, a video talking about his coins launch, 14K market cap.
Hey everybody, I'm 2 hours from launching my creator coin,
fees,
Jesse.
Right? I'm telling you guys, I think this is going to be massive, personally. I think this is going to be one of the biggest creator coins. You check the Twitter, like I said, you got people from Solana talking about it. I just think this is a layup. I think just like we did with Edel, which gave us a 5x. Personally, Edel is a great project, but I think this is going to be bigger than Edel, personally, right? 900K views for the launch, man. 900K views for his launch, guys. It's his birthday today, right? I think this is a layup from base. I think this is a layup from the base chain, the base builders. I think this is a layup, man. Get yourself 100,000 tokens, 1,600, 1,700 bucks. That's 100,000 tokens. It goes to a billion market cap. You got 100K, right? Or you could just de-risk. You get a 2x, you de-risk, keep 50K tokens, let that moon bag go to the billion market cap. You got 50K. If you can't afford it, put 170 bucks in. Put 170 bucks in here, so you could get 10K tokens. Goes to a billion market cap. You got 10K, right? That's why I'm making this video for you guys. Let me know your thoughts. That's basically it. Quick video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. And yeah, none of this is financial advice.